Today I'm going to show you how to heat up one of our essential meals to go meals without a microwave. To a hot pan, you're going to add one of our meals, and then with about 1 or 2 tablespoons of water, you're going to create a steam bath for the meal. You're then going to cover it and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Once this time has passed, you're going to remove it from the heat, and then you're going to transfer the meal into a plate. Remember, y'all, you don't need microwaves to heat up your food. It actually destroys the flavor of the food, and it also destroys the nutrients. Eat up.